everyone, my name's Eric. I am so glad you're here today to watch another Team CC's My Grad Story. Each year, Team CC celebrates its graduates by sharing their stories through an online and social media campaign. This year, we reached out to one graduate from each academic division, in addition about their learning, how they became passionate about the majors, and the challenges they faced. We have asked them to select one word to describe their journey to commencement this year. Hi, George.
Hi, how are we doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Tell us about the one word you chose to describe your journey.
All right, so the word I chose was sandbox. And the reason behind that was because TMCC and the instructors provide a safe environment for you to apply teachings and learnings in a potentially dangerous field without any consequence. And so I really felt like it was an environment that I could play and learn and express myself while practicing what was taught.
That's very interesting. Team CC is an amazing college, from many programs that they offer to scholarships and a soccer team. George, what made you decide to come to Team CC?
Well, Team CC has definitely been a part of my history for a long time. And so I have a bit of a long story. So I originally graduated high school in 2004. And I immediately enrolled in TMCC because I was kind of one of those people, those students who didn't know what they wanted to do, didn't have a clear plan or a path, but it seemed like the right step. You know, continue education and you'll figure it out along the way. So I went to TMCC for a year. And then after that, I decided to move to Southern California, pursued a little bit of an education, but never walked away with a degree or a diploma in any respect. And then took a break from school for about 10 years. It just wasn't fitting my life at the moment. So then I suffered a pretty major injury when I was 29. I broke my back. I had a lot of free time and I realized I had a lot of credits already accumulated. I needed one semester left to get an associate's in science. And so I went ahead and with that free time completed the classes, got that degree. And that was really one of the foundation stones for helping me get into the Tesla work environment, starting as a technician. As a technician, I realized there were some skills lacking, and thankfully TMCC had partnered with Tesla to do the Gateway program. And I made some really great relationships and friendships in there and tremendously advanced my skills. I became so much more of an impact at work because of what I learned there. Completed the courses through the Gateway in about a year, finished in May. Transitioned to a supervisor role, took a little bit of break from school, did that for a year, and then I transitioned into an engineering job. And I realized I had some skill sets missing, and I maybe didn't have the same education background as my peers. And to really give myself the confidence and knowing that I could be successful at this job, sustain this job, or in the worst case event, get this job again, I knew I had to go back to school. At TMCC, thankfully, we reached out at the same time I was making this realization and job transition and said they had a 2x2 bachelor's program, the cyber physical manufacturing. So I jumped at the opportunity. It was going to be lab-based and online and some in person. As COVID hit, it definitely transitioned to more online than anything else. But that worked really well with my schedule and afforded an opportunity I just didn't think I was going to have. So now, after putting my head down, I am on my final semester, my last month, and looking very forward to having that bachelor's degree when it's all over.
In your own words, tell us a little bit about the experience working in the BAS and the cyber physical manufacturing, the new bachelor's program.
Yeah, the experience of working in the bachelor's program has been really beneficial. Everything that I learn or taught or explore in the classes seems to directly translate to the work environment. So for example, I'm working on a vision systems at work and I'm taking a vision systems in school. It seems like I get a deeper knowledge on the fundamentals on how the program's written and how I might be able to use that as an advantage to fine tune a process I'm working on at work.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Tell us one challenge about balancing working full-time and taking 16 credits a single semester.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything that isn't a challenge about it. And I think it's one that we all have to experience, right? Everybody has lives, they're always busy. And so it's a constant game of balance and schedule and maintaining and understanding like where your priorities need to be. by recognizing that this is a foundational growth and something that will benefit me for a long period of time keeps it at a top priority. And then again, knowing that it's applicable keeps me engaged. So it's really easy to sit down and do the homework, knowing that this is just going to make me a better engineer.
That sounds great. Any future plans?
Yeah, I just want to maintain my current status and like move up through the company. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to make a tremendous impact immediately, but it does make an impact to my confidence level. It makes an impact to my mentality on how I approach the job, and realizing that I'm no longer behind the field. Like I belong here, and if need be, I can explore other options, and I have that foot in the door anywhere I want to go.
That's amazing. My last question I have for you is any advice you would give to students?
Yeah, take advantage of it now. Like if you are able to balance, if you are able to get into school and manage work, or in a fortunate enough opportunity to not have to work, like realize that this opportunity is tremendously beneficial in the long term, and that you're building that foundation so that you can pursue jobs that you dream about or want, and they're no longer a fantasy. Like every door is open to you if you just put in the work now.
Thank you, George, and thank you for watching. Go ahead and follow Team CC's social media channels, like, comment, and share to show your support to our incredible graduates.